So in Blum's mini app on Telegram, users can now earn dogs token and you can withdraw it immediately if you want. As you can see here, this person has already gotten $12 worth of dogs token. This person got another $12 worth of dogs token, and this person got $9 worth of dogs token as well. So to get those free dogs token, all you have to be doing is to be playing those Blum's drop games and be tapping on dogs icon whenever they appear. The catch is that for now, this feature is only available to influencers and those with big referrals on Blum. I think it's also available to those that have Telegram premium subscription. But don't worry, everybody is likely going to get access to this feature very soon. Here is what Blum's co-founder said. He's getting dogs raining. Don't get wet next week. What this thing means is that everybody is likely going to get access to this feature next week. So that's by the way. If you have gotten to this point in this video, congratulations to you, because I'm about to reveal something big to you now. Look at this message. This girl told me that she made her first million through Testnet, and she was just 17 at that time. However, you need patience for Testnet, a lot of patience, because when it pays, the money they choke. Right now, I'm going to show you one of the biggest Testnet airdrops that might put some money in your wallet. Here, this is Humanity Protocol. This project has raised a huge amount of funding, which is $30 million. Let me show you. So you can see it here, Humanity Protocol. They have prominent brands as their investors. You can see them here. So this is going to be huge. These are prominent brands. You can see them here. And these are not all. These are not all the brands that are supporting them. So the funny thing is that there is a project with a similar name that trended a while back. It's called Human Protocol. You might be familiar with it. Let me show you. So this is it here. I don't think that is connected to Humanity Protocol. You can see how the logos. Let me show you their Twitter page. You can see the Human Protocol airdrop logo. There you see Humanity Protocol. You can see the logo, and they have good verification badge. And you can see that the logos look similar. You can see. So I think this one is trying to copy this one. So maybe this one want to use their reputation to farm people that hunt for airdrop. So you should be careful when interacting with this particular one. So I think it's fake. And as you can see here, just like I said, this Humanity Protocol has a gold verification badge and it's only for verified organizations. You can see it. You can see it here. The verification badge costs $1,000 per month. That's how I usually know a serious project. Why pay $1,000 per month, $1,000 per month for a verification badge if you don't have big plans for it? So you have to take this Humanity Protocol seriously. So let me show you how to join the testnet. You can see that the testnet started. If you scroll down here, you see the testnet started on September 30. They announced it here. So we started on September 30, 2024. First of all, to get started, you have to download metamask wallet extension on your laptop. It will be easier for you. But if you are using an Android phone, download Kiwi browser first. Let me show you the process. So this is my Kiwi browser. So make sure you have downloaded this browser in your phone. So once you download it, you open it. Then here you type metamask extension. You can see it here, metamask Chrome extension. This exact thing, this metamask Chrome extension. That's what I'm going to type. Then you can see it here, this first option. Open it. Then you tap on add to Chrome. You tap on add to Chrome. So it will be added. Tap on OK. Tap on these three dots here. Then you scroll down, you see it here. The extension has been added. So what we're going to do, we are going to tap on that extension now. We are going to tap on it, then tap on create a new wallet. The same thing if you are using a laptop. Download the MetaMask extension on your laptop. you can just open the type it on in your browser, metamask Chrome extension. Then you will see it, then you install it to your browser. From here, the process is the same whether you're using a laptop or an Android phone. Just follow my steps. First of all, tap on the link in the comment section of this video. You can also find it in the video description. So once you tap on it, you will get here. Then the first step is to connect your wallet. So you tap on this connect wallet option. So tap on it. So you select metamask. So you're going to open the metamask extension on my browser. But if you're using an Android phone, you have to click on the three dots there. Then you tap on the metamask extension to approve the request. You understand? So it's currently loading. So I will tap on this button, then tap on confirm. Then I will tap on this place that says switch network. So it's going to switch my Ethereum mainnet to Humanity. So it's currently connecting, it's currently switching it to Humanity. So it's connecting to Humanity. So as you can see, I've done it. So it says verify my account. So I'll tap on sign message. So I'll tap on it. So it will open my MetaMask extension again. So I'll scroll down. Then tap on confirm. So it's loading. So my wallet has been connected. So you can see. So I have to create my human ID. So here, as you can see here, it says choose a name for your human ID. So I'm going to go with something like Jack. So I'll go with the name like this. So after you have done that, you tap on this button here. So here you have to type your first name, then type in your last name, which is your surname. Then you scroll down a bit. Then you type your email address. Then you type your email address again here. Then once you are done, you scroll down. Then you tap on next. So once you have created your account and verified your email, you now get to this place. So this is the place you are going to do the main task. That is what brought us here, which is the testnet. So airdrop is not already that one you do on Telegram. That one is called social file because you are socializing, inviting people and playing games. And in the end, they give you free tokens. So testnet is another type of airdrops. So bear that in mind that one you're doing on Telegram is not the only type of airdrop. So before that one, before that social file, this testnet have been in existence and people have made a lot of money through testnet. So in testnet, which is another type of airdrop, you test the platform before it launches. In the end, you will get rewarded. So that's what we are here to do. We are going to test this platform. So I will show you how it is done. So what you are going to do next is to come here and tap on this thing, this button here. Then your wallet address will be copied. This place, this wallet address that is close to your nickname, you tap on this button, then to say copy. So once you say copied, you're going to open this website in another tab, this particular website. You will see the link in this video's description and also in the comment section. You will see the link here. So you tap on this particular link, then you get to this place. So here we are going to get free testnet tokens. You understand? No cost. You're not going to cost. There's another website, but that one you have to have some Ethereum in your wallet. So, but this one is totally free. So we're going to use this website. So we scroll down here. So we are going to select this one and this one. Select two of them. Then you tap on continue. Then here you are going to continue with your GitHub. So if you don't have a GitHub account, open one. So you just type github.com and just search for it here. GitHub, you can see github.com, open it, then sign up. After you sign up, then you come back to this website. Then so I'm going to continue with my GitHub account. So once you have signed into your GitHub account, it's going to ask you this question: authorize chain link file set. You say authorize, tap on authorize. Then you say you have been redirected to the website. So we are going to add the wallet address here. So we paste the wallet address. Then that wallet address that we copied from here. So I'm going to paste it there. So paste it again. Paste the second one. Tap that. You have to verify that you are a human being. So you tap on it. So then tap on get tokens. So as you can see, it says sending, and this one too is saying sending. So as you can see here, it says success. So let's check our wallet. So tap on tokens. So you can see it here. So now that both of them are showing success, so we have to check our wallet to see if we actually received it. So first off, if you tap on your wallet extension, so you can see that it's showing error here. This error shows that this token is not really recognized. So let's look for it first. So you tap on this icon here. You can see that it's still on Humanity network. So we scroll down until we see this network called Sepolia. So we tap on it. So you can see 0.1 Sepolia 8. That is what they sent to us for this task. So what I'm going to do next is go back to that website. Then we tap on what they call this particular place. You tap on it. So tap on it. So we are going to receive this 1 THP from them. You understand? We have to receive this one too. So we tap on that, paste our wallet here. That wallet we have copied, paste it here. Then tap on request. So we can see, I think it has been sent. So now we are going to bridge that token. So we are going to bridge that token. So we are going to go back to this humanity.org. So we're going to tap on this place that says bridge. So tap on it. So we are going to tap on this place that says add to metamask. So we tap on it. It says an error occurred. So some people's own, it usually happens automatically. Like if you tap on this add to metamask, it will add automatically. So what we are going to do now, we're going to do it manually. So let me show you how to do that in case your own shows something like that. But if you tap on it and your own connects automatically, then you are lucky. But if your own just show this error message like my own, then follow this method. So open your MetaMask wallet extension, then tap on this place. Then you tap on this place that says add network. So then you scroll down. Till you get to this place that says add a network manually. So you tap on this place that says add a network manually, the network name. So we are going to go to this website. Then this is the network name. We copy this name, copy it, then go back to that tab, then paste it. Then RPC URL. So this is it. So make sure you copy it correctly. You copy everything correctly. So here's the RPC URL. Then chain ID. Copy it. So that's basically it. Just copy everything. You can see I've already added the Humanity Protocol Testnet network. So you just fill up these things. This currency symbol, this is it here, this THP. So Blum Explorer URL, copy it to and paste it here. Then once you are done, tap on save. So I've already added it. That's why I cannot add another one here because I've already added it. So once you are done with that, then you go back to that website. Then you scroll down here, you refresh this page. Once you refresh this page, then tap on max. So you see one THP. So once you tap on max, you tap on continue. You can see that it says initiated. Just be coming back to be checking your own till it shows completed. So you can copy your referral link here. Just go down here. Then you copy your referral link and be referring people. Understand? So what? Apart from that, just scroll down here. Scroll down till you get to this place. You see this icon field. It's showing their Twitter handle and their Telegram. You can join their Telegram, but most importantly, join their Discord. So tap on this Discord icon. So you're going to take you to their Discord channel. So you can see they say you have been invited to join Humanity Protocol. So tap on accept invite. So accepting the invitation. So what he has opened, say welcome to Humanity Protocol. You can tap on this start verification. You have to select the dog on the main video. So tap on it. So select the option that is a dog. So it's this option 5. Tap on it. So as you can see, verify successfully. So once you have done that, then we come to this place and scroll. So we come to this place and scroll down until we see this place that says wallet submission. So you tap on this wallet submission, then tap on submit wallet. So we paste our wallet here. So okay, sorry, we copied it. This one is our referral link. So let's go back and copy our wallet. So copy our wallet. This is very important. So go back to the Discord. So here we paste that our wallet. Paste it, then tap on submit. So we have submitted it. So that's all for now. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. You can also join my WhatsApp community and be getting more information regarding this testnet project and other projects. If today is your first time coming across the YouTube channel, kindly tap on the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.